There are two main routes for foreign direct investment and foreign institutional investment in India. 1. FDI route, automatic route. Under this route, investors do not require any prior approval, they just have to inform the Reserve Bank of India. This route is applicable in sectors where the government has allowed automatic approval. Automatic route, e-commerce activities, online retail, marketplace models, manufacturing, investment in manufacturing sectors, telecommunication, 100% FDI is allowed under automatic route in most cases. Information technology, software development and IT services, pharmaceuticals, 100% FDI is allowed for greenfield projects. Automobile sector, manufacturing and assembly plants, government route. Under this route, investors have to take approval from the government for FDI. This route is for sectors where there are certain restrictions or specific conditions are laid down. Government permission route. Insurance. Prior approval is required for FDI in insurance companies, which have limits on foreign equity. Defense. Investments above a certain limit require government approval. Broadcasting. Television and radio broadcasting require permission. Multi-brand retail. This requires prior approval from the government. Real estate. Investments in real estate and construction activities usually require permission. Aerospace. Investments in the aerospace sector require government approval. Prohibited sectors. There are certain sectors where FDI is not permitted, such as atomic energy, lottery business, gambling and speculation, chit funds. This classification may change over time. 2. FII route. Investment through stock markets. FIIs have to register with Securities and Exchange Board of India to invest in Indian stock markets. They do not require any prior approval but have to follow SEBI guidelines. Sub-accounts. FIIs can open sub-accounts to manage their investments, where registration and compliance processes are also in place. Both these routes offer investors the flexibility to invest in different ways and contribute to economic growth. If this video is useful for you, then please like, share and subscribe to the channel.